Welcome to the Nailed It or Failed It. Today we're making strawberry and banana smoothie today. Before cooking, you need to wash your hands very good for 20 seconds. First you put water on your hands. Now you gotta put soap on it and rub it for 10 seconds. It has to be like this. Now you put the water on, and then you rub your hands together. Right now, you need 3 bananas that are cut. You need a cup of strawberries, a cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of yogurt that any type of yogurt you like. I have all that right now. So now I'm cutting my strawberries in half. Make sure you don't get the knife really close by your other hand while you're not cutting, because it could cut you. Now I'm done cutting all my strawberries. I put them on the side. Now you get your bananas. First peel them. Get my knife. Cut my bananas. Now I have to cut my other bananas. You need 3 bananas, and hold on to the banana or the thing you're cutting, because if you don't, then it will how would I put this, fall down. Just gotta cut one more banana now. This is a lot of bananas. Ooh, we might not have to use this banana, but we could just cut this part off. Put that in the trash for later. Now I have to cut my last banana that I had to break because a part was rotten. Now I have to put all this inside the blender. Now you get all your ingredients and put it into the blender now. With the vanilla extract. Now put the strawberries. Now my bananas. Now you put the bananas inside of the blender. Now you get your milk and put it inside the blender also. Make sure you don't spill it. Oh. Now you pour in your yogurt. Ask a parent to help you set up the blender, and this is how you set up a blender. So you got this, and now you gotta put this on top of here. Now it's sealed. Now you can blend your ingredients. Now you blend your ingredients for 5 seconds. Now it's time to taste test it, if I nailed it or failed it. I nailed it today.